Now, imagine that you have just launched a new product from your brand and the product is standing there in the supermarket shelf. And here comes the consumer, she grabs your product, looks at it and puts it back on the supermarket shelf. Her decision is the difference between failure and success for your brand, and maybe for yourself. And that decision was actually made up of a few seconds evaluation. So what if I can share with you what makes up this evaluation? What if I can share with you and teach you the 4 success factors that will help you be successful and avoid failures? These factors are based on 20 years of analyzing successes and failures in the food health market. They are applied and tested in marketing projects across the globe for the last 20 years. And this is an opportunity for you to learn them in a day and then to go away from that day and to be able to apply them in your daily business and learn and know how to be successful and to avoid failures. Because the 4 factors, they are just as easy to understand and to apply as 1, 2, 3, 4.